So, Dr. Debbie, what is Tantra? I'm educated in the Tao, but you're educated in Tantra. So, what is it?
Well, I'm educated in both the Tao and Tantra. Tantra was developed 5,000 years ago in ancient India and in ancient China by Taoist practitioners. The purpose of Tantra is to impart loving consciousness and to enhance one's consciousness and for healing.
So, you and I are teaching this course, the Tao of Tantra. And what I'll add to that is that my experience of the Taoist practices are that they're more formulaic. They're very cerebral. You follow a formula. First you do this, then you do that, then you finish with this. And for some of us, we actually need that kind of structure. And nobody tells you how to feel or what's going to happen next. We're just sort of thrown out there. And it works. Dr. Debbie and I, by fusing Taoism and the Tantra practices, have come up with something I would say more human. And that,
Absolutely.
don't you think it fills in the blanks? Like
Definitely.
the Tao fills in some Tantra blanks and Tantra fills in some Tao blanks. Okay.
The marriage of the two are most beautiful. The integration of the Taoist techniques for moving and for cultivating and moving sexual energy, circulating it through your body, combined with the energy of love that is so pervasive in the tantric practices. We help people to heal their sexual bodies, to cultivate their sexual energy, places where many of us have shut down during our lives. We get to reopen our sexual centers and to use our sexual energy to heal the other parts of our dimensions in which we live. For example, sexual energy is raised up to heal the physical body, the emotional body, the mental body, and the spiritual body. So we get to open our consciousness with this sacred sexual energy.
And for our Taoist practices, which again, there's a lot of overlapping and a lot of fusing. For the Taoist practices, a lot of people come to Dr. Debbie and I, and what they really want is just a simple daily practice so that they can learn to harness their sexual energy, have greater pleasure, use their sexual energy so it's not such a mystery or something they feel out of control with. So the Taoist piece of that, and Dr. Debbie is actually a certified instructor for these Taoist sexual practices. What the Taoist practices are going to bring to the table is something tangible that you can practice and understand and do by yourself long after the class is over. So if you're looking for a way to harness and clean, because a lot of people come to us with traumas, right?
Absolutely.
So we want to clean the trauma out, clean the energy of the trauma out from the body. So for us to send you home with something that's kind of formulaic could work for you. We also have, we're also available for consultations, and that's actually your area, isn't it?
Well, my work is primarily in teaching classes for people who are interested in opening up their sexual energy, in healing their sexuality. Many people have shut down, particularly women. Most of my work is in teaching women and also to some degree with couples. People who want to relate to their sexuality in a way that fits with their spirituality.
Okay.
Sexual energy is the energy of enlightenment. It's the fuel for enlightenment. And it's the fastest way to access your essential energy for your highest good and for healing on all levels.
And that's something that Dr. Debbie and I both have in common is, we both are available for consultations, one-on-one. It's not so much that we want to do the work for you. It's that we want to teach you how to work on yourself. Yes, we make ourselves available for a while, but coming to one of our workshops, in particular our favorite, this Tao of Tantra workshop, is an opportunity for both of us to visit with individuals, assess their situation, and help to design the best practice for you. Anything else we want to share with the people?
That we're looking forward to helping you to heal and to grow and your path of spiritual enlightenment.
We do look forward to meeting you all.